Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 5, page number 66 to 67, reading plus discussion. I repeat, our today's topic is chapter 5, page number 66 to 67, reading plus discussion. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 9 and SW number 8 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, now I request all of you to open your information and communication technology book. This book, information and communication technology book. In short, it is called ICT. Okay, it will be page number 66. Page number 66 and 67 we will read and discuss. I hope all of you have opened your book page number 66 and 67. We will start reading. Now we get the result of public examination instantly by using the internet. So look at the first sentences. This sentences refers to the internet in education. It was unimaginable a few days ago. That means we could not imagine only few years ago. People living in periphery. Dear students, look at the word, it is periphery. Periphery means the rural areas or the local areas. Periphery means the rural areas or the local areas would come to the city to collect it. Now it can be known just through a SMS or short message system or by a click of the mouse. Now the internet plays a very vital role not only in publishing results but also in completing the admission process quickly. My dear students, now you can understand, that means we are reading the internet in education. That means we are reading the advantages of using the internet. Okay, come to the point. You are familiar with the registration process in universities through mobile phone. Similarly, thousands of students can complete their process by using the internet. At least 4 lakh students appear at the admission test of the National University of our country. National University of our country. Okay, dear students, in this connection, I want to show you a picture. So look here, what is written here? National University, or in Bangla it is Jatiyo Bishwabidyalaya. It is located at Gazipur. So look here, it cannot seen properly, but if you look you will understand in your book page number 66. At least 4 lakh application for the admission test to the National University process through information and technology. So here it is mentioned, or here it is written that at least 4 lakh students apply for their admission in the National University through SMS or over internet. That means they don't need to go to physically to get admitted there. That means through SMS or over internet, okay, they can get themselves admitted in the National University. So look here, do you know that all of them use the internet for the exam? Students want to have information about the institution before getting admission there. This is very common. That means each and every student tries his or her level best to get the information at first. Then he or she gets admitted. Once people would physically go there to collect the information, but now you can get the information of the institutions located in the farthest corner of the world by using the internet sitting in your home. Dear students, I am happy to share that once it was the common picture. That means we all needed to go to physically to the center or to the place where we would collect information. That means we would go to the place physically to collect the information. Now we don't need to go to physically to collect the information. That means sitting at home you can collect all types of information. You have availed of many advantages the technology. So look here, you have availed, that means you have got of many advantages the technology. Very soon we are going to enjoy more facilities. Yes, virtual classrooms are coming into being in our universities, and they will be interconnected with each other. When a teacher will teach in their classroom, not only the real students present there listen to them, but hundreds of students throughout the country will attend the class sitting in the virtual classroom. Dear students, here it is written, that means in the virtual classroom not only the specific students of the class are present, but also the students of the whole world are present in the class. This is the benefits of the virtual class. Students of medical colleges will get opportunity to watch a critical surgery from a long distance. A learner can watch a planet or a star of the remote galaxy through the telescope set on the peak of a mountain. A student can successfully, now my dear students, I will move you to the next page. A student can successfully accomplish or can do, accomplishment can do or can do a function, accomplish an experiment of a modern lab sitting in his reading room. He or she can easily collect the books which is not available in the school library. Full stop. Are you perplexed thinking about how people studied when there was no internet? Here it is written, that means whenever it is seen, that means some important information, some important books are frequently lost. Whenever if your book are lost, that means don't need to hesitate. Rather, if you have internet connection, go to the NCTV, that means National Curriculum Textbook, and after going there you can easily download. So look here, it is lesson 57 to 70, searching academic information by using web browser. Academic information in the internet. So look at the title I have given in bold. The internet is a big source of information, very common answer. It contains information of almost all the subjects of the world, including education, sports, culture, religion, and so on. We can get valuable information of education, for example, system of education, way of education, curriculum, syllabus, etc. are browsing the internet. Okay. Here it is written, that means after browsing the internet we can get all types of information. We can know what is the system of education, what is the curriculum of education, what is the way of education. That means here it is written, or here I am telling you, that means all type of informations are related to the education. Now come to the board. The information is kept in the internet arranging in different ways. One is written information, for example, information in the black and white. Black and white, look at the phrase black and white, that means information is written. Whenever the information will be written, or in phrase it is called black and white. It has variety too. Some websites have information that is direct and specific, such as Newton's laws of motion. Some websites facilitate explanation and examples of the laws. Besides, many subjects are available in the internet as video image format. When an expert explains an academic subject, it is recorded in the video camera and finally is uploaded in the video sharing site like YouTube, www.youtube.com. So in this connection I can give you an example. For example, I myself is a teacher and I am delivering a lecture, and this lecture will be uploaded in our YouTube channel NIVS Home School. Okay, that means if you go to the YouTube and our specific channel, that you will get my class. This is telling here. Anybody can either watch or download it. So, look here, anybody can either watch or download it. This is the maximum benefit of this class. There are cartoons or animated films on academic subject on some websites, whether the syllabus is explained through animations. Some sites provide facilities of asking questions, quiz, competition and even aptitude test. So, look here, even aptitude test, that means even mental or general ability test. Courses on different disciplines are available in the internet. So, dear students, now another picture. I want to show you another picture. So, look here, look at the picture. Okay, it is called ebook.gov.bd. If you go to the internet, you will write it ebook.gov.bd, then you will get, that means all types of national curriculum textbook, all types of national curriculum textbook. So, look here, in Bangla it is ebook Jagote Shagotom, Shikkakrom, Sadharon Shikha, Madrasa Shikha, Karigori Shikha and Shohayak part. According to the instruction, you will get the book. Okay, come to the reading session. Registering names in these courses, you can attend classes and at the end of the courses sit for the examination. There are some sites in English language such as www.coursera.org. This one is one name, www.coursera.organization. Another website's name www.ellison.com, etc. So, dear students, I am going to tell you 2 or 3 sentences about the summary of the passage. So, we have read today page number 66 and 67. The summary of these 2 pages are that all types of information, we do not need to go to physically anywhere to collect information. Rather, if we have internet, if we have computer, mobile phone, having internet connection, we can easily get the information. This is one important thing. Another important thing is the virtual class. Okay. So, look here, it is in the text we have read that is virtual, about the importance of the virtual classes and about the advantages of virtual classes and different types of websites and different types of informations and different types of what should I tell, different types of address also, the, for example, NCTV, www.ellison.com like example. These are the summary of our page number 66 and 67. So, look here, it is written SW chapter 5 page number 66 to 67, make 5 MCQ. Dear students, you will read the text at least 3 or 4 times at home and you will prepare only 5 MCQ, only 5. It is not difficult to you, it is very easy for you to prepare 5 MCQs. To prepare MCQs, you need to read the text again and again to understand MCQ and do your SW, finally abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.